A simple secret to organizing gift cards. That's what we're talking about today. Hi, this is Frank Buck, and this is the place to be if you want to get organized and make it look easy. So, how many gift cards did you receive this holiday season? How many did you give? A 2019 article from the National Retail Federation said, for the 13th year in a row, gift cards remain the most popular items on wish lists requested by 59% of those surveyed. But if you're like many, some will wind up at the bottom of a drawer and never be enjoyed. An often quoted Wall Street Journal article estimated that $41 billion in gift cards went unspent between 2005 and 2011. I'd like to see some more up-to-date statistics to see what kind of trends we have there. But here's my question for you. How will you keep up with the gift cards that you received and actually use them? What's your system? The technique is really easy. I'm going to share with you exactly what I do. So it starts with this. Just make a file folder, label it gift cards. Insert a few pieces of cardstock and line the sides of that cardstock with paper clips, like 4 down the left side, 4 down the right side, and start attaching the gift cards. You'll be able to get 8 cards on the front and 8 cards on the back of just one piece of cardstock. And if you have a lot of gift cards, consider putting them in alphabetical order so that you can easier see what you have. Second, we all have those coupons that come in the mail or newspaper and have expiration dates. And we often buy a gift card that includes a bonus card, but the catch to that bonus card is that it must be used within the next month or so. So for those time-sensitive items, I put those in the very front of the folder in chronological order so that the one that's going to expire first appears first. Then what am I going to do with that folder? Because just having a folder laying around, that's not going to help me much. Put it in your tickler file. Take that folder labeled gift cards and put it in the tickler file for, say, the upcoming Saturday. That's the easiest day for me. What's a tickler file? Well, if you have to ask that question, you're obviously new to my work, so be sure that you get on my email list. Come over to frankbuck.org, get on the email list. The first gift that I'm going to send you is going to tell you everything that you need to know about the tickler file. Now you have a trigger. You know, you and I have too much already without having to remember something else, like periodically going to that folder and looking at the gift cards. But when you put that folder in your tickler file, say for Saturday, you've given yourself an automatic trigger. You can forget about the folder. On Saturday, when you pull the Saturday tickler file folder, inside it is the folder for the gift cards. There's your trigger to look through the folder or look through it with your significant other. My wife and I go through that folder every Saturday, make decisions on what would we want to use during the upcoming week. And then we take those particular cards, put them in the tickler file for that day, or put them in a wallet or purse so that you have them with you when you need it. It's just that easy. And then take the gift card folder, put it in the tickler file for the next Saturday, and it's ready for you. Couldn't be easier than that. You know, I've often said, if you can't find it, you might as well not have it. If you can't find those gift cards, if you've forgotten about them, you might as well have thrown them in the trash can. They're not doing you any good. It's the lack of simple systems that cause us to lose those things. It allows clutter to expand, and the problem of losing things gets worse. With the tickler file, you have a place for the papers in your life that you want to resurface at a particular time, like the gift cards. And with that folder inside it with your gift cards, you'll never lose or forget another one again. It's just that simple. Hey, and if you like this video, take a look at these two right over here. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thanks for stopping by. This is Frank Buck, helping you get organized and make it look easy.